How to use health insurance premium savings tips properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Health insurance premium savings tips can help reduce costs, but beginners often misuse them and end up paying more or losing coverage. Most people get this wrong, but following proper steps can maximize savings without compromising benefits. The first mistake is focusing only on monthly premiums. Lower premiums often mean higher deductibles, co-pays, or limited coverage. Consider total out-of-pocket costs to evaluate real savings. Another error is not checking eligibility for discounts or subsidies. Many individuals qualify for employer contributions, government subsidies, or wellness incentives. Ignoring these opportunities can cost hundreds annually. Many people fail to review plan networks. A lower-cost plan might exclude preferred doctors or hospitals, forcing higher out-of-pocket expenses. Always verify provider networks before enrolling. A surprising mistake is neglecting preventive care coverage. Some cheap plans may limit preventive services or screenings, which can lead to bigger medical bills later. Finally, some rush to enroll without comparing multiple options. Premiums, benefits, and coverage vary widely between plans, so careful comparison ensures you choose the best value. To properly use health insurance premium savings tips, consider total costs, check discounts and subsidies, review networks, verify preventive care, and compare multiple plans. Avoiding these mistakes helps you save money while maintaining strong coverage.